Okay, guys, these are the answers to the Your Turn questions that you did in section 11.3. I will also go over the guided practice in this same video, so we won't have two separate ones. For the reflection question on number 1, why is one half of the box wider than the other half of the box? Well, the quarter of data to the right of the median is more spread out than the quarter of data to the left of the median. So all you needed to do is look at it and see which way it works. For number 2 on the bottom, okay, which group has a greater variability in the bottom 50% of shopping times? That would be group A. The top 50% of shopping times, that would be group B. All you had to do is look at which box plot has a greater distance from the median to the minimum for the left side or the maximum for the right side. Remember, the left side is your bottom 50%, your right side is the top 50%. On the Your Turn number 3, I did not write an answer. I'm just going to read you my answer or a sample answer, and you can compare yours to what I put because this is kind of long. So what you could have put is the boxes have similar shapes, although Group B has a shorter box and shorter whiskers. Group B's median is greater than Group A's. Group B's shorter box means the middle 50% of its data are closer together than the middle 50% of Group A's. So if you need to pause that and rewind it so that you can really make sure you understand it, then please do so. That's why we're doing these on videos. So you can pause and rewind and restart as many times as you need to really go over the information. Now, I know the video cut out last time at the Your Turn number 4, so I didn't get a chance to go over it with you. It says compare the shape, center, and spread of the data in the box plot with the data for stores A and B in the 2 box plots in example 2. So when we work through example 2 right here on the previous page, they just want you to compare those 2 that we did together with this separate one right here. So what I put, and once again this is kind of long, so you may need to rewind it so that you can really understand and really hear it. It says, the shape is similar to store A's. The median is greater than store A's, but less than store B's. And the interquartile range is about the same as store A's, but it's longer than store B's. So literally all I did is look at the shape, the center, and the spreads of this one right here in comparison to example 2's different box and whisker plots. Now, for your guided practice, quickly, your minimum is 72, your maximum is 88. Your median, that's this right here, is going to be 79. Your range is going to be 16, and your IQR, or your interquartile range, is going to be 10. So that's all you needed to do for 1 through 3. 4 through 7, which group has a greater median height? We'll look at it. Here's our medians. Which one has a greater median? Volleyball. So I'm going to put V-ball. I'm going to abbreviate here. 5, which group has the shortest players? The shortest players would be your hockey players. Notice how much smaller your range is. Plus, your highest one is only at quartile 3 for the volleyball. So this should be hockey. Which group has an interquartile range of about 10? Well, they actually both look pretty close because this one goes from here to here. This one goes from here to here. When you subtract, they both end up being about 10. It doesn't say exactly 10. It says about. Be sure you're focusing on those key words. Now, for number 7, what information can you use to compare 2 box plots? What can you use? You can use their minimum and maximum values, their median, their range, and their IQR, their interquartile range. That's the range in the boxes. So that's what I'm going to put here. Minimum and maximum values. That's these two dots on the very end. You can use your median. You could use your range. That's from dot to dot. And you can use your IQR, your interquartile range. That's the range of your boxes. So hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully you can check your answers and you're on the right track. If you're not, go back and rewatch your video and you can start over. Hope you did well. Let me know if you did not. Have a great day.